Hello, this is a quick demonstration of this modelling clay. My girlfriend uses this. She's normally using full-on clay and bakes it in a kiln, but she wanted to try out this modelling clay because it's air drying, and so it's really good for small projects and for those of you who want to get into pottery but don't have the kiln firing ability. She's found it really good for these little decorations, and she's made all sorts. You can use cookie cutters to get these brilliant shapes. It's a very quick way of making decorations, and then she uses acrylic paint to give them the colour. She's found that this is a great material to use for smaller projects, and because it is relatively inexpensive, you can do a lot of tests and trials and see what works and what doesn't. So she's also made these brilliant little ghosts which can be painted, decorated, and then they're ready for Halloween. So it's a really great little material if you're looking to get into crafting but don't want to go to the expense of buying a full kiln, and it's very easy to use and manipulate. I hope you found this quick demo useful and you like the ghosts. Thanks for watching.